Kini kedai Doorshan Meghalaya beri pedang subhai pi baro syakatup kubo mentaka janmit syuban paj kubo ki bebenya ini pet syuai kimat bekongsan. Kami lenti ke jela ban bisa bernya halo ke jengkiu ka jengkai itu masih kaput ke Meghalaya Bangladesh ban pengklaim ke sorkar ya kilat jingeda. Terwau Menteri Ketnat Pulih Putih ban penjelan ia ke lenti rel dan Menteri Pathar Shah Bakmara. Betak Shlong Municipal Board ia kinong di Madan, bakim dan ibomdan ia ke certificate of bending dan iki COV ban wengno ia kimar kimata bat ban kenriak no na kijaka kendailat. Bat on pentemai ke tan syutai la mingi ban penbaha ia ki jengeda, dawa ban pentemai ia ke power grid. Iku bawa ki punya. Ka jengkiu kan sanjong ka jengkai itu ia ki masih keleng ki jaka kaput ka Meghalaya bat Bangladesh kala penmi ia ka jeng sngokhia ka bejur agaba ki jengtib bat thamai ki penpau ia ka jengkai ba nya ki masih naduk ka shitrik u kala lingkot hadu arpoi trik u naitung ahajar apusan layo kurup hadu kumba shihajar sanspa laipsan teli ki masih ki basyongdor palat tang arpoin arpundriu klur tingka da ki bor pahara. Abajubab ia kene ka jingjia ka besyirkai Menteri Ketnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba AL Heg ula penpau baka sorkar kadang penjur ka jing pet ngor halo kani ka benta. Kawe ka jing tei ka khardop pet kerpang ya ka kot ka khia na ka benta ki masih ki bawan rung syagajala kala jandep hari boy district kat baka weipat ha Garu Hills Lakmi Lenti bakan Shempor Kamslem.
Duty and responsibility of the government to tackle for any problem to bring solutions. They are doing their own mechanism. They know how to do their duty. They are there in the site. They know to do their duty. This is there in the site only. This is not happening in the state. It is happening in the road. The duty of police is there. The duty of SF is there. The duty of the doctor of veterinary is there. The duty of the custom is there. Everybody, they are into their own duty to accomplish their own responsibility. The government are going to be established to check it, to check the health of any animals who are bringing from outside to the state of Meghalaya. That is one in the Riboy district and one is in the Garu Hills district.
Menteri Ketnat Pulih Putih urakam isangma ulah terwa ban penjelan ya kelentirel na Menteri Pathar Shah Bakmara dag bapin i ya kene kum ke sinjam ke balak ban penkela ke balak ban pelelat ya ke kai peteng bat ke Bangladesh ban penmi ya ki kam ki babun bat ban kentiu ya ke roi kepar hagatan syutai la mingi jong ke jela Meghalaya usangma ulah penpau ba ulah dep ban IT ya ke dorkas syuk mintirang ba ke jela na ke benta ban penjelan ya ke jing penyesok lentirel lingba ka nongal bibra lani ka lingba ka sortura tikri kila bat dalu ulah penpau ba mintirang ba ke jela utip bahaya ke jing donkam jong ke projek ha ke roi kepa bat ulah ban budien bat ke soka pedeng ban pentikna ya ke jing penyak cekmat ya ke projek.
We have given a memorandum to Honorable Chief Minister requesting him to extend the connection of railway from Mendipata to Bakmara. Our main market, especially for Meghalayans, would have been Bangladesh, right? But in view of political situation at present, it's a different story. But if the situation is different, if it is a normal fact, so Bangladesh would have been a good market for Northeast and for the Meghalayans. Therefore, in that connection, look, we cannot isolate the livelihood of our people is very, very important.
Pedeng ka jing kentok ka bajur halo ke jing jot ratai ki yang skul ha jela Meghalaya Menteri Ketnat Pulih Putih urakam isangma ula kentu ya baro ki nong thau an kentup ya ki armut ki dekhot ke yang darba thau an jong ka jela benok senyang sitham sya ka ban pen imbyang ya ki skul sorkar kani ke jing kren jong u ka long hadien ki jing kentok balawan ra dunong ilam kaliang persya abat u bolong ru Menteri rang ba barem u Dr Mukul Sangma utai Menteri ulai burom ya ki saun san snem baladap apok ka jingalam Menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad ki sangma man sedang ha ka ban wanra ya ka jingkela ka jela borok kuai ban tei thama ya borok ki skul sorkar jong ki lower primary bat ki jingtai ki bubyang.
Because upon all the handlers MLAs, even MPs. It's MPs. I've seen our honorable MPs visiting the schools also. I will also request them to kindly don't just take picture for the negativity. Just take that. Keep in mind that I have to come to the school and I will give my fund. I was because honorable MPs also to think that way. So this is what the inside becoming. I would request everybody, instead of blaming, let's build it.
Nakabas ngau khia namar ka jingma ka bajur baha jong ka jingsha thombor ki kor ki bor ki bakongsan u menteri katnat boarding ka jalau 80 mondal ula ong ba ki jing jala ka than stay la mingi ki penbor ya ka so ka pedeng man pen thamai kerki ya ka boarding jong ki ha ka jingelang jong ka North Eastern Power Ministers Conference ka badangshan ha Guwahati ki nongelam ka than da ka wei ka sur ki la khot ban pen baha mardor ya ka state load dispatch centers da ka badawa ya ki software system ki betebet bat ki brio ki belasha hikai banyada ya katnat boarding
about the manpower in the state load dispatch centers. These also we want that government of India should supplement in a term of financial position and also the transfer of technology, software and all these things because there is chances of threat of cyber attack and all these things. So accordingly all states agreed unanimously to send a resolution to Government of India so that we are given sufficient support.
Ka Shillong Municipal Board ne ka sngi ka labatha ikinong shong madan ki bomdon ya ki certificate of vending lani ki COV ha khandai lat bagi dei banweng no ya ki mar ki mata bat ban pelat no e ka tei ka jaka daga ba ong ba onom sha shu ya ki ba kindang shong dukan ha ka tei ka jaka kani ka jing batha ka wan kum shibenta jong ka jing penshisha ki kot ki sla bala pelong da ki he jong ka SMB ha ka jing trailang bat ki board penya district ki pulit ba ki dekot jong ka seng jong ki nong dia madan ka jing thmu jong kane ka jingle ka long ban itu bat aila tang ya kitu ki badai hok ban shong tat hadu benda pen kenria no eki sha ki jaka balabu kerpang
Telaai municipal yang ada islap ibarat baha bangan syong dukan hakit jong kemuda hakit jong kasih bilrim dan kemuda mentah the next kabaar kabangayo license kadai da kacing penle jong headman jong PB badan putra jong ke tunai kangayo ya katra license bang syong biju dan tak mentah pekasian kada mentah saya kita ke kerutang jong kica balai kica abang sau teling de kedua rentam hang le pada kali
UMLA barang ba kaseng BJP uba AL hek ulapan pau ya ka jing khmi lenti bakani kaseng kanang kieu ha ka jela da ka bapenkut no ya ka jing sa kumju jong kaseng ha ka yang dorba thawan jong ka jela wala ka BJP kala yo tang artli ki seat uba hek ula ka do ba ki jingmi na ka election ha ka bakut ki pen pau ya ka hok senchar pat ba jong ki pat ba bat lada ka BJP kampat yo jaka ka dei namar ba ki nong thep vote ki lapan don kam ya ka jing lait lut jong ki banjet uba hek ulo ong ba ka por kala dei ba ka seng kan kieu ban om sa kut haju bat kan ya chikmat klem sange hadu da poisha ka thong ha ka sain perthei jong ka jala
I fully endorse and agree with you. Last time also we are in 2023 we had contest 60 seats. If people has not elected the BJP, then what we can do it? It is up to the choice of the people. It is the will of the people, the wish of the people. Purely from the political point of view. I believe in the themes of Vivekananda. Arise and awake. Don't stop till you reach your goal, till you achieve your goal. So the Swami Vivekananda very rightly had said, you should not be give up. Arise and awake. And don't stop till you achieve your goal.
Urang ba shnong ka shnong maupat uba juda waklang ulapan pau ka jing persyak ka bajur ya ka nu ka jing persyang jong ka hima meliem ban penkala ni penjot ya ka lau maupat lan ka klau maupat ka belah tip pat ba kum ka lau adong da ka KHDC house nam ahaja khatsau Kimadan football ki yeng mani ne kanu ka jing temu hapo ka law adong. Ula ong ba ka hima meliem kam don bor ban ajaka la ka long na ka benta ki community hall kimadan football ki yeng mani ne kinu ki jing temu hapo ka law adong. Ula kentu ki bo penyat snong kum ka maulai mau pat bat pentor khra bakin shim khia ban pej bat dei ban pendon kam bakla ya ki khlau.
Nakaliang ngajong ingin metangi dan sedang yang kapan lum iki kot kisla iki evidence baro tengah try nadu itu kisna me kapan nakaliang jong kahimaru kala ai haga sol ya kapan sumar te hang tur ngatrai kala don hiki preambles lani ke jing temu babale nakaliang jong kahima ka ai naga bentaka sol ya kapan sumar lani bantung dieng kumta terter te haga wede berkata andang ingin layo ya kata te kane nakaliang ngajong ikum kador basinong yang setiap op ikan ikan matos ikan bangin ikan badai ban penek ang tensa namar ba ladagim penek tensa ikan taga klau tikan bu hi kecike
Kador bas nong renja akadon kajing kermen ba onla ban weng ye kajing e jong kajing kerdu hagatega than hadien kajing pentikna naki he jong katanat public health engineering Hagajing alam jong orang ba snong uba ediwar ki dekhot jong kador ba snong ringkat bat ki he jong ka PHE bat usi barim ka KHDC uba penya sings kila pelong ye kajing jurep lang ban wat ye kilat kilenti ban yo kentup ya ki telong ki badon hajan ban pendap ye kajing dawa ka banang kiu hagatei ka than
ha number nong ni di ka minimum commitment kin kami jenjar maki la da pirung da kapit op da
maka inspection kan data kan ngasin wa mintanya la juan la har lai sin ten ringit scam ba kan ni kan dei syu ka barsaw ka basan de kan ni long sin ka khaddu at ringit scam ba kan ni ka jing temu ka ban yawan ni ka long ka ban long ka pasese bat ka job bat ka ban ai ka jimun toy ya ubo ni balang kham tamile ka bai de ko umbam umdi na ka ban ta ban la ban pindit pindiang ya ka snong ka thau hi ba ko we
Ka menteri ketenat ke kot ke khia ke kong amprin lingdo henen ke si ke la play ke program Red Ribbon Campus St Mary's College Shillong ke bertemu ban pensengau tu bat ban yakun persya ya ke jingpang HIV and AIDS ha pedeng ke samla pulie ha kene ke jingelang la yo I ya ke jing shim benta da ke principal jong ke St Mary's College Sister Mary Harriet ki nong tre jong ketenat ke kot ke khia bat ki jinge don lang jong shibun ngut ki samla pulie Aba ai jing kren hakati ke sngi ke kong amprin lingdo ke labu ke jing kerpat ban ye trailang ban pentikna bana don ke jing kha khlung iban don ye ke jing pang HIV and AIDS sapo usnam ajar apopra
God give strength to my officers, all of them around you, but not getting the result. I hope.
Komisi benta jong ka jing lek jingo ye ke constituency bro ko wei UMLA ke nong po oba Melbourne ula lek jingo ye ke snong kon ne ke sngi akaba ula pen menapat ba ya ka jing pediang ya ka snong ringkat ba ka jing kular ban penstet ya ka roi kepar hagi benta bekongsan kentup ya ka pulia putih ki jing tei surok bat ka imlang salang haga jing lek jingo jong UMLA ule kren bat ki nong shong snong bat ki nong elam snong daga ba penpau ya ka jing perkhat jong ka soka halo ka roi kepar Ulek jengok ru ya ka Fatima RCLP and UP School ka badon ha ka tei kesnong ha ka ba ulei kendu bat kinong hikai ki kena school bat ki kemi ki kepa ula penpau ba ka jing penbaha ya ka jing tei jong ke school ka long ka bekongsan na ka benta ban taudor ya ka lawai jong ki kena bat ban pen kupbor ya ka imlang salang borok ka wei Kasur jong kipat ba ke Western Ribohoi ki dang yai beteng ban nang kham jam ha ka ba penrem ya ka jing bom shimkhia jong tenat boarding halo ka jing bom don ka boarding ka bala ban penbiang ha ka tei ka than ki khna school ki nong elam snong ringkat ki dekhot ka nyau trap youth council ki la pelong ya ka jing ya pat ba henen ka sngi ban penpau ya ka jing e ba ki jing ut jing nam ki ba ki kendo na mar ka jing bom biang ka boarding ya ka ne ka jing ya pat ba la pelong da ka seng HYC Western Ribohoi ha pathar khma Mentang ini pek kajing long juman kasun beneng hatura. Kajing kriat kalong apun rio degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong lai degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau mentang sengi kalong 20% shispa, but kajing half slap kalong lai point iwe millimeters. Aba pai pat shnong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong apuwe degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong apusau degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau mentang sengi kalong kendai pulai nak shispa, but kajing half slap kalong point millimeters. Kat bah hajawai pat kajing kriat kalong aphuai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong apusan degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau mentagasi kalong kendai pu anak shispa bat kajing half slap kalong lai millimeters. Kandon kajing half slap bat kajing tiet uperthat hagi babun ki jaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Teda kita gi khubong ila poin syabakut june ketup jungim tagajan miet ngin sa syamit play KHASI haga juga po kubli shibuni pi baru.
Serving as the Vice President of the world's largest